Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're doing an unboxing. So I just got this box in from Lula's Garden. We have worked with them in the past. In fact, we did an unboxing last year with their stuff, and I think that what they have is just a really neat concept. So they specialize in succulent gift boxes. So they're pre-done, already made succulent arrangements that you can order and send to somebody or order for yourself. You don't need to have any extra accessories, like you don't need to have pots or soil or anything. You just open it and it's done. You can pop it on a windowsill. It comes with everything you need to take care of it. I just think it's a really great alternative to like sending fresh flowers because it's something that will live on. Lula's Garden is also giving away 5 of these gardens. We'll give more details on the giveaway later on in the video. I want to get right into this box because I think we've got a bunch of Valentine's kind of centric gift boxes in here, so it's kind of perfect time of year. Okay, I'm seeing a bunch of cute looking boxes in here. Let me pull them all out and set them in front of me here. So I think we can objectively say that these look really pretty. I mean, the packaging, something I've always appreciated about what they do because it comes just looking so clean and elegant and just professional, and I love that. So each one of them has a different sleeve. This one says Happy Valentine's Day right there. We've got an I love you, Happy Valentine's Day, and XOXO. And you know, you can get different sleeves. These obviously are for Valentine's Day, but when we unboxed before, I think I had one that said Happy Birthday. There was a thinking of you. So you can get on when you're ordering them and choose what, you know, whatever's appropriate for whatever occasion or event that you have going on. So now let's just unbox these. I'm going to start with the little guy first. Move these to the side. All right, sleeve off. Okay, set the lid aside, and so you can see, you know, how it's packaged right there. We've got paper on the top, there's plastic barrier around it, and there's some beautiful echeveria in here. So this one is called the Petite Bliss, and isn't that nice? Like, there's no soil anywhere, it's really nice and clean and tidy, and it's done. So like I said, like you can just pop this open and put it on a windowsill or in a bright spot in your house and you're good to go. And each one of them also comes with a kit here. Let me open this up. So inside the package, there is an eyedropper, which allows you to water your succulent without making a big mess. There's a little tool if you need to do any sort of grooming or, you know, something like that. And then there's also a care guide link. I thought it might open, but there's a link right here that will take you to a page that tells you how to take care of your succulents. So this is the Valentine's Jewel Garden. Isn't this perfect for Valentine's Day? So we've got a Haworthia zebra plant here, a grafted moon cactus with a pink top. Perfect. And then a Graptosedum California sunset right there. Really, really pretty. Then we have the original Jewel Garden. Can you believe how nice these arrive? Like being shipped, and who knows how they're, you know, handled. It says fragile on the box, but sometimes I get boxes marked fragile that are all dinged up. So I am just super impressed. So this one is a little bit different than the Valentine's in that it has the Haworthia and the Graptosedum, which the Graptosedum gives you the nice pink, but then we have a jade in the center of this one. And this last one is called the Valentine's Verdant Garden, and it has the XOXO sleeve. I like the color of this one. Oh my word, bigger plants in this one for sure. Okay, so the Verdant Garden looks an awful lot like the smaller Valentine's, but this one has bigger plants. So we've got the Haworthia zebra plant, but just a larger size. We've got a double cactus in the center instead of a single, and then we've got a cluster of 3 of the Graptosedums there on the right. I think they're all really beautiful. So these 2 arrangements for Valentine's Day are limited edition, but you can get on their website and look at all the different sizes and configurations that they offer. Like for example, this little guy right here, you can get this with a cactus instead of an echeveria if you like that better, or if the person you're getting the gift for likes that better. But they'll do different stuff like this, kind of limited edition for different holidays and events. So for the giveaway, it's super easy. They're giving 5 gardens away, and they're going to let you choose between 3 sizes, what size you want. So you'll be able to choose between the petite, the original, and the deluxe. And all you need to do to enter is leave a comment right down below this video with what size you would like to receive. We're also going to have a discount code, so if you want to order one and get 10% off, you can just throw the code in. I'm not exactly sure what the code is at this point, but we'll make sure it's up on the screen. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and best of luck to you guys in the giveaway. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.